Good morning students. Students, today we will discuss physical properties of non-metals. Now first of all we should know what are non-metals. Non-metals are the elements which gain electrons to become stable. For example, chlorine, its atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration, it has in K shell 2 electrons, in L shell 8 electrons and in M shell 7 electrons. It needs one more electron to become stable, that is octet electronic configuration. So what will chlorine do? Chlorine will gain one electron and become chlorine anion. 287, it is electronic configuration of chlorine atom, and 288, it is electronic configuration of chlorine anion. Now it is stable. Now what are the properties of non-metals? Non-metals do not have luster. They are dull. They do not have shining surface. Except iodine. Iodine is the only non-metal which has luster. Non-metals, they are soft and brittle. When hammered, they break. Except allotropic form of carbon, that is diamond. You know very well that carbon has three allotropic forms: diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Diamond is the hardest known substance. They are neither malleable, that is they cannot be beaten into sheets, nor ductile, they cannot be drawn into wires. They are generally bad conductors of heat and electricity. Now why they are bad conductors of heat and electricity? Reason is because absent of free electrons in them. Now again there is one exceptional case. Allotropic form of carbon, that is graphite. It is a good conductor of electricity and is used in making electrodes. Electrodes जो हैं वो graphite के बनाए जाते हैं because it has free electrons, and these free electrons they carry charge, they are movable and they conduct electricity. Non-metals, they are non-sonorous. They do not produce sound. Non-metals, they have low melting point and boiling point, except boron, diamond and graphite. Diamond is the hardest known substance and it takes lot of temperature to melt and to boil it. They have low densities. They have low density because they are light elements. हल्के हैं ये, इसलिए इनकी डेंसिटी लो है. They have low tensile strength, that is load bearing strength is very low. They are easily broken. Physical state. Non-metals, they exist in all the three forms. Solid non-metals are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine. Liquid, bromine is the only liquid non-metal. Gaseous non-metals are hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, etc. Now color. Most of the non-metals, they are colorless, but sulfur has yellow color, phosphorus has white color, graphite, it exists in black color, and you know in pencil, the graphite pencil is there, graphite is black color and which is used to write. Selenium and iodine, they are grayish white in color. So students, these are the properties of non-metals. Thank you very much.